everybody. Today I want to talk to you about a new automation that I've created. And here it is. So I open up Alfred. And I'm going to create a new folder. I'm not sure why it's not creating it right now. Oh, I do know. I have to show the items that are in my desktop. So I'm going to show them. So this can work. I'm going to create a new folder. Call it video test. Okay. So here is video test. So let's say I have a file name that I want to save. And we'll take a look here. Here, the Wusthof, the name of the knife that I'm thinking about buying, the knife set that I'm thinking about buying, or want to buy, or whatever. So here's the name. I want to save it in a text file. So what I do is Command C to copy it. And then I believe it was caps lock F for the creating the text file in the frontmost Finder window or file or folder rather. So, and there it is. It says original file name. So this is actually used for if I had a file name that I change. So if I, like, let's say, change this to something and I want to keep it, I would copy this and I would create it in the folder of whatever file that I'm changing it to. If I wanted to preserve the original file name, I would keep it in a text file like this. And that's why I created it. I mainly use it for recreating or saving original file names of videos, music files, image files, and I keep them in the same folder. And this file name, this automatic title that it gets is something in the script. I'm sure there's a way to have this change to whatever the content is, but for now I have the bash script as the this right here, the original file name .txt. So it creates the content that you have in your clipboard in a plain text file and saves it in the frontmost Finder window / folder. And that's what it does. And so we can take a look at the script. This is what I call it, movie file name. This is the one, and this is the bash script. I was wondering why it said Python. And so here it says sets the path to the target of the frontmost window as alias. And here is the file name that it gives all the text files that it creates, because I only plan to have one of these text files in the Finder folder that I created in. So there you have it. That's my automation for today. I hope you like it. Please let me know by subscribing, commenting, sharing, and liking this video. And I will see you all in the next video.